What a rally in Bitcoin. What a proper squeezy rally. What's quite interesting is we haven't yet reversed the daily trend, unfortunately. We've paused at the daily 50 moving average, and unfortunately, that's where we got caught before. Now we're going to see a little bit of a pullback. Now, the first pullback I expect to be back towards the 20 moving average, maybe a little bit lower, which would be sort of 50% of this candle back. That would be 10,076. I think intraday, really, what we're going to be looking at is a retest of 10,000. And if we hold that and we don't close below the 20 moving average, then you know how sometimes you can go back and forward in between the no man's land, between the 20 and 50, or when you get stuck underneath. I think that we could see a bit of that. We've done it before here when we rallied off the lows at the start of the year. We had this first rally look when we had this bottom and we got stuck at the 50 moving average, and we did some sideways trading in between the two moving averages, because you know back below the 20 would be a sell signal. So this is what I think we could see here. Obviously it was quite extended, we did like 8 days or something, but that's tends to be what you can see in between those moving averages. So that's where our support is. We could spike a little bit lower than that, and then I'm expecting another swing higher in a triangle. If we don't, and if this is just a squeeze, okay, and if we close back more than 50% of this big green up day, that would be a bearish reversal. The chart pattern would be dark cloud cover, because we've made a marginal new high this morning. And that would be a bearish reversal candle again, and you know, bigger correction, maybe retest of the lows, something like that. So if I take these fibs away, remember that we are still, big picture, we are still within the 61.8, 38.2 golden ratio consolidation zone. From this high to this low, we're in that zone between these fib levels, and the 50% level in the middle is our pivot, our bull bear line, if you like, and that's at 11,394. So 11,394 is where we're looking for our resistance. If we get above there, we've got a breakout. We're probably in another, you know, bigger move higher. We'll go back and retest the highs, and then, you know, our next upside target would be this 786 fib retracer, which is at 16,125. So there we are. Now the alts are really suffering in this move. The three that we looked at last night that we thought, you know, might have a bit of a move higher, so far only, let's take a look at a quick refresh of where we are. I've been looking at the British pound. Now MATIC had a bigger pullback than I thought, but MATIC may be about to, with this little bunched up move here, be an hourly buy. You know, it's got to get well above this 200 moving average again. It's a little bit of consolidation. I think MATIC may be, you know, still sideways consolidation. I'd really like to see new highs in this one. It didn't quite give us the breakout we were looking for last night.